Hi, this is Bill with myunipost.com. Today we're showing you the gas pounder made by Redi Driver. This one in particular is their Mega Multi, so it's their bigger one, and it comes with a multi adapter to be able to fit our Unipost, square posts, and then it's got a sleeve so that you can reduce it down for T-post, all built in. So then you can just put the sleeve in. Now we're gonna just show you how to start it and how to use it, and then we'll have another video of how to pound the Unipost. So first thing you got to do is make sure you turn it on. This is the #1 problem I always get from my customers. They can't figure out how to turn it on. So right here is on and off switch. You have to turn it down to get it started and to get into the run mode. And then on the back, it only uses standard gasoline, 87. This is the choke right here. Choke is up, off is down. So you choke it to get started, and then it just has a pull cord. So I got it on, make sure it's on, push down, got it choked, and then pull it. Starts right up. And then I just reduce the choke as it warms up. Once it's warmed up, you can turn off the choke, and then you're ready to go. That's about it. So let me show you the adapter part a little bit. And this one has the handles. Let me turn that off. This one has the extension handles, so this is another attachment you can get for the Redi Driver. 2.5 foot extensions, which are perfect for an 8 foot steel Unipost. And that's about it.